In a world where sound danced like light, whispers traveled through air, water, and stone. "Can you hear me?" asked a voice floating on a breeze. "Yes," replied another, resonating through a river. Sound found its way bending and weaving through forests and mountains. "Listen closely," it urged, echoing in a cave. The voices learned that understanding sound's journey meant embracing its path. "We are connected," they realized, as sound united them across distances. The message was clear: true understanding bridges gaps. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.